Hey you guys, it's your girl Maya Nicole here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you guys with a wig install, and also this is part 2 of the first video that I recently posted on my channel, so check it out if you haven't. I'll have it linked up above. And just to let you guys know, I'm not going to be talking throughout the whole video, just coming in on certain parts that I feel are important to, talk about how I install my wigs. But, starting off, you guys just saw me show some powder that I use. I'm going to just put this on the entire lace to make it match my skin tone better. And the color of that powder is called the Honey Brown color, and it's by Ruby Kisses. And I usually get this from my local beauty supply store. Just something cheap that gets the job done. And also, I did want to let you guys know too that most of this video is going to be sped up. But, if you guys do want a more in-depth look at how I install my wigs, just comment down below if you want to see that. And also make sure to give this video tons of likes so that way I know you like videos like this. Because I do love installing my wigs now. I've gotten way better over time. So I wouldn't mind, showing you guys how I install my wigs and showing you guys all my different wigs in my collection. But yeah, and then right now I'm just putting some makeup on my cap to make it blend a little bit more. And I know when I put this wig back on, you're gonna be like, girl, like that's not blended clearly. But just wait. You gotta wait till you gotta watch the video. It's gonna come together. It's gonna look great.
Is it real? True? You? Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come for free, feeling that I air will breathe, smelling all the perfume place, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that's the air I breathe, holding you, loving you, wanting you. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming for you. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that the air I breathe from you. I feel you, I hold you, I know you, I want you. Sitting in the passenger seat, holding you, holding you, counting you, feeling you. I look at you in your eyes, hoping that love is real, hoping that love is real.
And I decided to put this in here just to show you guys, but one thing I do when I install my wigs like this, I always make sure to lift up the excess lace that's stuck to my skin. That way when I start cutting the lace, I'm not gonna be pulling my skin, hurting myself.
Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come for free, feeling that I air will breathe, smelling all the perfume place, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that's the air I breathe. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming for you, Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that the air I breathe from you. I feel you, I hold you, I know you, I want you. Sitting in the passenger seat, holding you, molding you, counting you, I look at you in your eyes, hoping that the love is real, hoping that the love is real, hope that the love is real. I see you, is it real, true, you, I'm undone, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come for free, feeling that I hear you breathe, smelling all the perfume place, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that's the air I breathe, holding you, loving you, wanting you. Sit in the passenger seat, hoping that the shit don't go free.
I just had to come in for a second because y'all, like, the melt is real. What I'm doing as I'm, just razoring off the lace, I'm making sure, look at that, girl. Okay. But what I was saying, as I'm razoring off the lace, I'm just making sure if some lace is coming up or if it's looking too light, I just go back in with the Got To Be spray and just spray it to melt it some more. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. Like, wow, it's looking so good.
I feel you, I hold you, I know you, I want you. Sitting in the passenger seat, holding you, molding you, counting you, feeling you. that I come for free.
Alright, so after I cut off all the lace, I just go ahead and wet my hair back so I can go ahead and slick it down and just get it all out my face. And right now, you're gonna see in a second, I'm gonna take some powder by Ruby Kisses in the color Caramel. And y'all, it just erased that whole cap. Like, it looks real good now. And now I went off camera and did this because it died. I did do my baby hair, so I just went ahead and sectioned it off, put it in a little twist. And before I cut them and style them and everything, I'm gonna melt the lace a little bit more. So I'm going in with this elastic band that came in the package, and I'm just gonna spray my edges again with the Got To Be glue just so it can go ahead and melt. And then also I'm gonna wrap around that elastic band, that way it can just hold down and look all good.
Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come and fall. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that the air I bring from you. I feel you, I hold you, I mold you, I want you. Sitting in the passenger seat, holding you, molding you, counting you, feeling you. I look at you in your eyes, hoping that the love is real, hoping that the love is real, hope that the love is real. I see you. Is it real? True? You? I'm undone, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come for free, feeling that I hear you breathe, smelling all the perfume place, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that's the air I breathe, holding you, molding you, haunting you.
Alright, you guys, so this is how we're coming. I did go ahead and finish my baby hairs, and I love them. I tried to do like a dramatic baby hair type thing, especially with the edges, the sideburns, but I liked it a lot. It came out good. And so now I'm just gonna go ahead and style it. I didn't put any product in the hair besides the Nairobi hair lotion, but that was really just to make it flat and make it stay in place. But I didn't use any curling cream, leave-in conditioner, nothing, just water, and that's it. That's it, water and a comb. But yeah, I'm just gonna style it and then we'll be back with the final look.
Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come and fall. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that
so I officially finished. This is how she's looking, and hopefully it focuses. So she's looking like this, very much curly, nice and shiny and looking real good. I will have all the wig details down below for you guys, and also I'm gonna put all the products that I use down below as well, just so if you guys want to know when I purchase it. And I did get everything from my beauty supply store, so everything I use, should be able to find it at your store where you live. But yeah, and y'all will see this wig on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I'll have them on the screen here or maybe in the description box as well. But yeah, to see all my pretty pictures in this wig, you know, me flaunting it. And also just don't forget to, you know, like this video, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, or, you know, anything on my channel. And also don't forget to subscribe, show your support. But yeah, I'm just so happy about this wig. It's giving me period vibes. That's all, period. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Say, say.